Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today video, which is our fourth video on sets, now we will discuss the sets, which is mathematics of class 11th NCERT book. Today's learning target is to understand what is Venn diagram and what operations can be made on set. Operation on set, right? So first thing first, what is Venn diagram? Okay, so when we represent a set in diagrams, we write something like this, which looks like a rectangle. Okay, and this is a universal set. Universal set is represented with this rectangle and it is denoted by U, right? And under this universal set we have a sets. Suppose this is a set A, another set is B. Okay, actually this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle. Sets are denoted with a circle. This is very bad circle. Let me just try to make it the another one. Yeah, okay. Okay, so Venn diagram is a diagram. When we represent a set in a diagram form, this is called a Venn diagram. Venn diagram is made first the rectangle, which represent the universal set, and under this we have circles. Okay, we have a circle and another circle, maybe a circle like this. Okay, so next, the definition: most of the relation between sets can be represented by mean of diagram, which are known as a Venn diagram. So the relation of set, when we represent the relation of set in diagrams, that is called the Venn diagram of the relationship between set can be represented by the mean of diagram, which are the known as set. So I have just okay, so this is the same thing, right? Now the operations that can be performed on a set, right? Operations on set. So we can perform these three operations on a set. What is that? The first one is union of set. So union of set. What is union of set? Union means what? First we have to understand what is your union. Okay, so union, when there is group of people, okay, a group of people, happy people and not happy people. Just let me make one unhappy people here. So this is called the union. There is some purpose for this union, like labor union and lawyer union, police union. Everyone have some union to protect their rights. Okay, let me just make one very sad. So there is some union, same like a set. We have a union of set, means if we have a set A and we have a set B and we write U between them, then this is called A union B. And what does it means? Just let me just tell you the definition, then we will see. Union of set: the union of two set A and B is a set of C which consists of all those elements which are either in A or in B, including those which are in both. Okay, what does it means? If we have A equal to 1, 2 and 3 and we have B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, for example. So A union B will be all the elements. We will write all the elements here which is common, which is there in A, either A or B or in both. Okay, so we will start with 1, 2, 3, then 5, 7 and 11. Now you can see A is here, B is here, A 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. Okay, 2 is here, 3 is here, 5 is here, 7 is here and 11 is here. So this is our union of set. Okay, union of A and B. Union of set, here is example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B have a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then find A union B. So A union will be a set C. So we will write all these elements 1 2 3 4 and 5, and all these elements if it's not repeated or if it's not already written. So 4 and 5 is already written here, then we will start with 6 7 and 8. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so A union B will be represented like this, and this is all this filled part is A union B. Okay, right. Now properties of operation of union. Okay, so what are the properties of union of sets? So A union B equal to B union A. So this is the same thing, no? If we will get all the elements of this and all the elements of this, and if we make something X, then all the element of this and this will be the same thing, right? So this is called commutative law, right? Again we have A union B and union C, means we have take A union B, then what will be the result we will now do with C, X union C. So here is missing, then A union B union C, both are the same thing. Okay, so this is called associative law. Now A union nothing, this is nothing, an empty set equal to A only, right? Suppose 5 plus 0 equal to how much? It's 5 only. Same like this, A have some elements and this have no elements. So what common elements will be there? Only this one, right? Okay, now A union A means what is common elements of A and all the elements of A and all the elements of A again. So it will be the same thing, A. This is called idempotent law. Idempotent. This is difficult for me to pronounce. Okay, so universal set union A. So if we have something like this, let me write it here. This is a universal set, this is a set. So what is what the elements will be there which is in both A universal set and A? So all the elements which are there in universal set. Okay, so U, right? And this is called law of U. Now intersection of set. So what is intersection of set? So if we have a set this, I hope this will be round, and we have another this one. Okay, so what is the intersection of set? Intersection of set, so the common part of both element, both the sets. Okay, let's see here. Intersection of set, the intersection of two sets A and B is a set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B, all the common elements. So if we have A equal to 2 4 6, right, and we have B equal to 1 2 3 and 4, so what will be the common elements? B 2 is there in both set, 4 is also there in both set. So answer will be 2 and 4, right? Okay, next intersection of set, we have example here 2 1 2 3 4 5 and B 4 5 6 7. So is 1 is there also? No. 2 is also there? No. 3 is also there? No. 4 is also there? Yes. 5 is also there. So 4 and 5 will be the intersection of set. So this is intersection, and here there will be 4 and 5, right? Now properties of operation of intersection. Okay, intersection of set. A intersection B equal to B intersection C. Same thing, means all the common element of A and B and all the common elements of B and A, both are the same thing. This is commutative law. Now A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay, this is missing, I think. This is called associative law, right? Now nothing and A, what is common there? Nothing, right? And universal and A, what is common there? A. For example, if we have a set A equal to 2 4 and 6, right, And if we have a empty set, there is nothing there, right? So what is common there? Here is also a empty set and here is also a empty set, means we have not written there, but there is hidden, means when we find subsets, right, subset of A, then we also include empty set, because empty set is subset of all the sets. So here is also a empty set hidden and here is also empty set, the answer will be a empty set. And if we have a universal set u equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, so what is common in both u and A is 2 4 6 is also here, 2 4 6 is also here, so A is common there. So same thing is written here, u intersection A equal to A. Okay, now A intersection A means if you have 1 2 3 which is A, so what is common? So A, same thing, 1 2 3. So what is common in A and A? Nothing. A is common, only A is common, 1 1 2 2 3 3, and this is basically A. So here is the same thing. Now distributive law. Okay, so A intersection B union C and is equal to A intersection B, A intersection C, and if we will unite all these answer of suppose this is X and this is Y, then it will be equal to this. Okay, if you want you can try with your own and you can try to prove it. Okay, now difference of set. Okay, difference of set, so difference means 5 minus 2 equal to 3, something like that. If we have a set A equal to 1 2 3 4 and a set B equal to 2 4, so A minus B, the symbol is minus, equal to, we will remove all the element of B from A, so 2 and 4 will be removed from here, so 1 and 3, right? Now the definition, difference of set, the difference of set A and B in this order is the set of element which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. So here you can see the elements 1 and 3 belongs to A but does not belongs to B, right? Is called difference of set, and this is represented with this minus sign. Now exercise 1.4, find out the union of each of the following pairs of set. Okay, so we have X equal to 1 3 and 5, and we have Y equal to 1 2 and 3. So we will write all the, we will X union Y will be 1 3 5 1 3, 2 is missing, 2, right? So this is the answer. Now A and B, A E I O U, A B C, so the answer will be A E I O U. Now A is there, B and C, B C. So in union, if you have given two sets, so just write the, just see which set have a more number of elements. Okay, suppose in this example this have the more number of elements, so we have written this first, and now we have check that in the second set all the elements are already written here or not. If it's already written like A, we haven't write it again, and B and C is not there, then we have written B and C, right? So this is the same like all the we have to find union in all the 5 questions, right? Now question number 2, let A equal to AB and B equal to ABC. Is A is a subset of B? So see, A is a, first we have to check whether A is a set or not. So yes, this is a set, B is also set, and all the element of A is there, also there in B. So A and B is there. So yes. So for this question it will be yes. Okay, and now A union B, what will be the A union B? So what is the, which one is big set? like which have a more number of elements. So B have, so we will write all the element of B, A, B and C. Now we will check all the element of A is already written or not. So A is already written, B is already written, okay, and there is no other element, so this will be the answer. Okay. Now question number 3, if A and B are two set such that A is subset of B, then what is A union B? So for example, A equal to 1, 2 and 3. Because A is subset of B, then B will having more element as compared to A, or equal or more. Okay, so B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what will be the A union B, right? So all these only B. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 4, if A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this and D equal to D equal to this one, then find A union B, B union C, A union C, B union C. So let me just do this one. Okay, so A union B, so we will write A union B, 1 2 3 4 first, 1 2 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 is already written here, you can see. 5 6 is not written, 5 6. Now we have to see, we have to do D also. Okay, so in D we have 7 8 9 10. So 7 8 9 10 is not written here, then 7 8 9 and 10. This is the answer. This is very easy, you can do it with your own also. Find the intersection of each pair of set of, I think this question is half written, let's skip this. Okay, now question number 6, if A have this, B have this, C have this and D have this, find A intersection B. So I think I should do this question or this question. I think both are yeah, there is a slight difference, so let me do the 10th one. Okay, so we have to first find A union D. So we have A and union D, so we will write all the element of A, 3 5 7 9 and 11. Now D have 15 and 17 comma 15 17, right? And intersection B union C. So we have 7 9 sorry, 7 9, we are writing B, no? 11 B, yeah, 7 9 11 13, right? And C have 11 13 already we have written, so 15 is left only. Okay, so now intersection means we have to find the common. So this looks the bigger, so is there 7 also here? Yes, 7 is here. 9, yes. 11, yes. 13 is not there. 15, yes. So the answer will be 7 9 11 15, right? 7 9 11 15. This is the answer. Okay, next question number 7, if, let me just zoom it, if A equal to X such that X is a natural number, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 infinity, and B is a even natural number, means 2 4 6 8 10, and C equal to X such that X is odd natural number, okay, 1 1 3 5 7 9, okay, and D equal to prime number, then find A intersection B. So you have to just convert this in tabular form, so it will be very easy for you. For example, A equal to X is a natural number, so it will be start from 1 5 and so on. Okay, B equal to even natural number, right? So 2 4 6 8 10 and so on, right? So A intersection B. So what is there? So 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 will be also there, so the result will be B. It means all even even natural numbers, right? Now the next one, which of the following pairs of set are disjoint? So I haven't told you about the disjoint. Okay, so disjoint. So disjoint, if we have a equal to 1 2 and 3, and if we have b equal to 2 3 5, so what will be a intersection b? So all the common element which is there in both, so it will be 2 and 3, right? Suppose we have in b we have elements like 5 7 and 9. So now tell me what is the common in both. So it's nothing. Let me just clear this. So it's nothing. So this is called disjoint. And how we can represent and how we can visualize this? For example, this is our universal set, and here we have one circle, and here we have one circle. There is no common area in both set, so this is called disjoint. Okay, so it's saying 1 2 3 4, and x is natural number, and x is less than equal to 4 to 6. So here it will be 4 5 6. Is this disjoint? Is elements of this both are not common. So see, 4 and 4 is common, so this is false. Okay, there is some common area, and this is not a disjoint. A E I O U, A C D E F, so E is also here, E is also here, so this is also false. We have some common area in this example, so it cannot be disjoint. Okay, x is an even integer. Okay, even integer 1 2 3 4, and sorry, even integer 2 4 6 8, and x is on odd integer 1 3 5 7. So is there any common thing? No, there is nothing common, so it will be true, right? Now question number 9. If a equal to 3 6 9 12 15 18 21, b equal to 4 8 12, this is d, find a minus b. Means a minus b means we have to remove all the elements which is there in b from a. So 4 8 12 12, 4 8 is not there, 16 20. So there will be a minus b equal to 3 6 9 15 18 21, right? So this is also very easy question. Now question number 10. If x equal to a b c d and y equal to f b d g, find x minus y. Means all the element of y we have to remove from x. So f is not here, no need to remove. B is here, remove it. D is here, remove it. G is not there, so the answer will be A and C, right? You can do this with your own. Exercise 1.4, question number 11. If R is a set of real numbers and Q is set of rational numbers, then what is R minus Q? So from the set of all real numbers, means any number that we can imagine, if we will remove all the rational number, right? So what we will get? Irrational number. Right? So answer will be irrational number. Question number 12. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. 2 3 4 5 and 3 6 are disjoint. So 3 is here, so this is not a disjoint, false. We have already seen this, right? Now a I O U, a b c d, so this is also false because there is common element a, and yeah, only A is common. Now 2 4 6 10, so you can do it with your own only. This is very easy. Now we have completed this topic, these two topics, and in next video we will talk about the complement of set, some properties of complement of set. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you were understood, and you will try the all the question that is left. You will try it with your own. So okay, bye bye.